Well, hello everyone. I do believe the nice warm summer weather has arrived, and just in time the good folk at Roadskin have sent me some motorcycle clothing to try out. I've got the Munro Armoured shirt, the AA rated cargo trousers and a waterproof jacket. Given how good the AAA rated Ttxela jeans are that I wear most days, I'm looking forward to trying them on. Oh yes, very nice. Well, it was a great little first ride wearing this Monroe shirt and the cargo trousers. It was quite a warm day and yeah, the airflow through them was pretty good really. I felt quite cool and comfortable, and they're still robust enough that I did feel quite protected. Let's have a look at them in a little bit closer detail. Now, we'll start off with the Monroe shirt, and of course this is named after Burt Munro, the famous chap who broke the land speed record, under 1000cc land speed record I think it was, on an Indian. And you might have seen the film The Fastest Indian about Burt Munro. Now, they call this a shirt. It is more, I think, of a sort of light jacket kind of weight, so it's quite nice and robust. Now it is a nice lightweight shirt stroke jacket, and it's got the Kevlar lining which gives you the AA safety rating. It's also got level 2 CE armour, it's got the back armour and the elbow armour, and of course the shoulder. Now the outer shell is made from a 200 GSM cotton fabric, and it's got this lovely quilted stitching diamond pattern on the shoulders here, and also across the back. Now it's got a zipped vent either side at the front if you want a bit of extra airflow, and it's also got a zipped vent at the rear to help with airflow again. As I say, this is really for summer riding. They've got pockets either side of the front with a nice popper to secure them, and you've also got a nice inside pocket, keep your mobile phone or your wallet in, and one with velcro on this side. And if it's a little bit cooler, then as well as the zip, you've also got a flap at the front that you can secure with the poppers. Yeah, I really like it. It's nice and comfortable to wear, not too heavy, and as I say, when I was out on the bike it was really nice and cool, and you could feel a gentle breeze going through the shirt. Now there is detailed washing instructions on the Roadskin website. They do say it sort of fades down to give it a little bit of a vintage look after a few washes. I recommend not washing it really more than you need to, just to keep it in top condition. It retails at around £159, but you can get 10% off by using our affiliate link or the discount code, and the link will be in the description. Now moving on to the cargo pants, they are a very similar construction. They're 340 GSM cotton on the outside. I think that's the main difference. Still Kevlar lined. It's got C level 2 hip and knee armour, and yeah, very similar feel to the jacket. You can feel the air sort of going through them. They're not sort of totally windproof, which you don't want really in the summer. You want a little bit of airflow through your trousers. Always good to have some airflow through your trousers, especially in warmer weather. I've got two rear pockets, very much as you'd expect, and obviously of course they've got the sort of cargo pockets on the legs. Again, closure with Velcro. And these retail for £149, but again, don't forget you can get 10% off your first order with our affiliate link or discount code. Right, I'm going to slip this all on and go for another ride, I think.